We're going to work on some sound balancing. I already have my computer set to a medium volume. So let's check our clip. Here I've fired up the Sound Meter app on my phone. Now let's go ahead to our iMovie and get that playing. Down here on the phone in the corner, there's a reboot button I need to hit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it. That way we're measuring just this clip. You'll see the needle moving up and down as the music keeps playing. And then the average of the clip is showing in the bar down in the middle. That's the part we want. We want it to be hanging out between 60 and 70 decibels.